Plastic bottles, food scraps, broken electronics, discarded metal, heat. Most of it ends up buried or in oceans.
Recycling is not new. From ancient Rome to wartime scrap drives, humans have reused materials for centuries.
Modern recycling began in the 1970s, with materials recovery facilities processing thousands of tons of waste daily.
Garbage is not just waste. It is a valuable resource.
But inside modern recycling plants, trash begins a second life. Collection begins in cities across the world. Every day, fleets deliver recyclable materials to recovery plants. Each load must be recorded before processing. Weights, waste types, and origins are logged into the system. The journey into recycling begins on the tipping floor. Heavy equipment spreads incoming waste for processing. First, bulky material is reduced by powerful shredders. Steel blades break waste into manageable pieces.
The shredded stream moves toward automated sorting.
Magnets instantly extract ferrous metals. Non-ferrous metals are separated by magnetic fields.
Sensors identify plastics using infrared scanning. The drop rate is consistent, but the sensors are showing a slight misalignment on the last bin.
I see it. Let's monitor it for the next few cycles before adjusting.
Clean plastic begins its own recycling line.
Hot washing removes residues and labels.
Granulators reduce plastic into small flakes. High temperatures melt the plastic for reforming. Molten polymer forms continuous strands.
Pellets become raw material for new products.
Recovered paper follows another recycling route. Water and rotating blades break paper into fibers. Flotation removes ink from recycled fibers. Fibers bond to create new paper sheets. Heat and pressure finish the recycled paper.
Metal scrap is compacted for melting.
Temperatures above 1500 degrees melt recycled metals. The liquid metal is cast into reusable forms.
Solid ingots become raw material for industry.
Organic waste enters sealed digesters.
Microorganisms break waste down into methane.
Captured biogas generates renewable energy. Pellets are packaged for shipment. Recycled paper is compressed into transport bales. Recovered metals await shipment. Finished materials are stored for distribution. Recycled resources return to global supply chains. What was once waste becomes new industrial raw material.
Modern recycling plants transform waste into valuable resources.
Look at that efficiency, right within tolerance.
Impressive speed, it's handling the load well.
These products began as discarded waste.
Inside recycling factories, trash becomes tomorrow's resources.
Operators monitor the entire recycling system from centralized control rooms. Sorted plastics are temporarily stored before recycling.
Plastic waste enters the dedicated recycling system. Machines separate tightly packed plastic bundles. Mechanical tumblers remove labels and debris.
Density separation helps purify the plastic stream.
High-speed dryers remove remaining moisture.
The purified plastic enters the extrusion stage. Inside the extruder, pressure and heat melt the plastic. Filtration removes impurities from molten polymer.
Pellets cool before final packaging.
Recovered paper bales are reopened for pulping. Screens filter contaminants from the fiber pulp. The pulp mixture is concentrated before forming paper. Calendar rollers refine the paper surface. Recovered metals move toward remelting. Metal scrap is further reduced for efficient melting. Furnaces are charged with prepared metal scrap. Impurities are removed before casting.
New ingots solidify from recycled metal.
Captured methane is stored before energy generation.
Round the clock, recycling plants transform waste into resources.
We've got a warning light on the sorting grid. Check Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now.
Plastic pellets are stored in silos before shipment.
Finished products are stabilized for safe transport. Recycled paper is wound into large industrial reels. Precision cutters produce standard paper sizes. Paper sheets are compressed for efficient shipping. Metal ingots are cleaned and finished before storage. Fiber strength determines paper durability.
The AGV is maintaining the optimized path.
Confirmed. The data shows a 20% increase in throughput for this sector.
Finished materials are organized for distribution.
Plastic pellets are shipped to manufacturing plants.
Paper bales travel to paper mills for reuse. These materials will become tomorrow's products.
Recycled pellets become new plastic products.
Recycled paper re-enters the printing industry.
Recycled metals return to new manufacturing cycles. Organic waste becomes nutrient-rich fertilizer. Methane from organic waste powers renewable energy systems.
Recycling connects industries across the world.
Artificial intelligence continues to improve recycling accuracy.
Future recycling plants aim for near-zero waste.
Millions of tons of materials pass through facilities like this every year.
Behind every system are skilled workers ensuring safe operations.
Complex conveyor networks move materials across the plant. The recycling process never truly stops. Day and night, waste is transformed into resources.
All of these began as discarded materials. Recycling plants connect cities to global manufacturing.
Every recycled product reduces landfill waste.
Recycling creates a circular flow of resources.
Recovered materials travel across the world.
Inside modern recycling factories, yesterday's trash becomes tomorrow's raw material.